Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Casual Home 5-shelf ladder bookcase in a sleek white finish, designed to elevate your home decor with its stylish and functional design. This bookcase features 5 shelves of retracting lengths, providing the perfect space for showcasing your favorite books, collectibles, and more, all while ensuring easy assembly. Standing at an impressive 6 feet tall, it offers ample storage space for tall displays, making it an ideal addition to any room in your home. Crafted from solid pine wood, this bookcase promises increased durability and longevity, ensuring it remains a staple in your home for years to come. With dimensions of 72 inches high, 24.75 inches wide, and 16 inches deep, it fits seamlessly into various spaces, while its lightweight design, weighing just 23 pounds, allows for easy repositioning. Whether you're looking to organize or simply enhance your living space, the Casual Home 5-shelf ladder bookcase is the perfect blend of style and practicality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.